Back there, Monty. Well, that was rude. You didn't smack him for that, cause I can cheat whatever boy I want. Look, I have a crush on Bonnie. Bonnie's home right now, cleaning up everything. Okay?
I say fuck Bonnie.
Bonnie's.
Well, he likes you, so that doesn't mean that he's cute. Just because.
Bonnie likes
because.
I'm sorry. Alright, I'm sorry.
No showies.
You want Diamond?
Fuck Diamond. No, Diamond. Diamond.
Yes, Diamond is at my house. You want to meet him?
You stole Diamond.
It just felt. Remember that time when the fireworks stuff? Yeah, man. Yeah.
Fuck the fireworks. Stop talking about that shit. You stole Diamond. You stole Diamond.
I not stole Diamond into Freddy's, Bonnie's, and Freddy says fuck you and Diamond. Bonnie says I will return it.
How dare Bonnie say fuck my Diamond? Oh fuck! You know what? Whoever he likes, fuck them too. Fuck him and fuck them too. I wouldn't care if I said he's not, or if he's my friend. But fuck him. He go about Diamond. Fuck him. So if you like him, fuck him. Yeah.
Anyway, wait.
I'm doing it.
Oh, sorry. Like and subscribe to this channel.
Don't say Taylor.
Like and subscribe to Foxy's channel, whatever. Yeah, and subscribe to our channel too. For Happy New Year. Yeah, Happy New Year.
Oh, and if you guys want to see the other videos that I started early, go ahead on there and look.
Yeah.
Only in case you guys only seen this, okay?
Yeah.